Welcome everyone. Every Wednesday we try to learn a little bit from the Hasidic Rebbe Elimelech from Luzhensk. This week's Parshas Devarim, which is the first reading in the book of Deuteronomy. Deuteronomy begins Elah Devarim. These are the words which Moses spoke to the Israelites, Be'er Yarden, on the other side of the Jordan River. Says the Hasidic Rebbe Melech Nirali, it appears to me that Kihine and Tzadik Tamid Shukoisav Gedolim Lashpir Rav Tuv Leves Yisrael, that the constant desire of every saint is to pour down abundant goodness to the Israelites, the Jewish people. That's his great and constant desire. And to accomplish that they should have everything they need. They should have children and life and food, prosperity, and to turn around the attributes of strict justice to mercy and compassion, and to draw down unto them tremendous kindnesses. And the purpose of this is to bring satisfaction to one's maker, maybe the blessed maker. And this accomplishes that there is joy and delight in all the worlds. And to draw down the influence and the blessings constantly without any interruption. So to accomplish this, the saint has to be ownerless like a desert. For example, the Talmud tells about Joab, that his house was like a desert. That anyone could come to his house who's passing by, just like the desert, that it was just an open house. Similar things are said about Samuel. So too, this saint has to be ownerless and just open to anybody. So this is the meaning of the verse. Deuteronomy begins, these are the words that Moses spoke to all the Israel in the desert. So it's chaser kan, it ends here. We don't have the end of this teaching, but we can assume that it's talking about the same concept of being like that. If God spoke the words in the desert and Moses spoke the words in the desert, that's the way that we have to approach. If people need help, we don't ask two questions. We're just there to help. If someone needs someone to talk to, if someone needs a blessing, if someone needs advice, we can't say yes, no, we just accept it. And in that way, we're able to bring down all the blessings. Because all your people are saints. Thank you for watching. God bless. Please like, share, and subscribe, comment. We'll see you later.